Da 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 da. Guess what came in? Boom. Already pre-opened the bag. Let's go, guys. Let's see what this thing looks like. And it came with another fry too. Nice. All right. I wasn't expecting that. Can't. All right. There we got it. This is the screen. Pretty big too. And I'll be back with y'all when I install it in the car. All right, we back. I just unscrewed it out the bezel. Remind you, the one that I seen, the screws is in the back. You know, on my screen, there's no screws in the back. There's screws on the bottom and up top. We're gonna figure this out together. So, like I said, mine is a 2012 Dodge Charger. Yeah. Let's figure this out. All right, so what I came across was there's screws that's here, here, all around the board. And they are numbered and you don't want to get them mixed up. So what I did is I placed the screws up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know which hole they go into. Now at this point I am taking the tabs. This tab just come out and you just pull it straight back. Same way here, you just pull this up. Pull that one up. And you pull them out. Just like that. Pull that out. And that's that. Right. Now, this comes up. Put that to the side. Now the next journey is getting this out, which I will be back with you on that, because I'm gonna need 2 hands and I don't want it to be a long video. So that's how you do that. Let's get to this. I'll be right back. Like I said, it's my first time. I'm gonna pause it so I won't drag y'all all along. All you had to do is, you know, this back part. I had to put it in this part first. The screen, just drop it down in there, and then just put the back on. That's basically it. Now, let's get to this board. Put the board back on. So we're gonna do, put that board back on. See if I get that adjusted for y'all. All right. So we lay this board down. All right, like so. Put a myself some good. So I am back. I have put these in right. It cuts on. I didn't fully test it or anything, so I just came back in the house. So we're gonna button everything back up, and yeah, let's do it. So. So, I'm gonna screw this in, and I guess I'll be back with y'all in the car installing and turning it on for you guys and letting you see what it looked like. $65 LCD screen from Amazon. See what that looked like. I'll be back. Alright, so now screen's in, back in the car, and we're gonna put these back on. If they're going in at an angle. All right, I just had to stop the tape and switch it around. So, moment of truth, brand new screen, Amazon, 65 bucks. Let's go. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. I was not expecting it to look that good. Holy smacks. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah, my sports, everything's going on. Wow. $65. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, here we go, guys. Roscoe is at it again. RT Junkie. Hey, this is it, man. This is what it's all about, bro. Easy. If I can do it, you can do it. It works, bro. 65 bucks. Nice. I am impressed. Wow. Yeah. I'll go back to these people, man. Peace and love.